Toronto has provided local and international influence, particularly in music. The city relies on music such as Motown and techno, playing an important role in the development of jazz, hip-hop,
This
rock,
side is
and punk.
Canada.
Rapid growth of Detroit in its boom years has resulted in a globally unique stock of architectural monuments and historical places.
So na lalapit na kami. Baka ano na kami sa